In this video, we are going to be learning the easiest way to fully anonymize Kali Linux, and we can do that by using the tool Anonymous Ghost. Before we install the tool and learn how to use it, if you want to watch content focused on anonymity, security, ethical hacking, or Kali Linux in general, please subscribe to the channel. With that out of the way, let's start the installation process. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser and go to google.com and search for anongt space GitHub and press enter. Click on the first link of GitHub. This is the official URL. When you're on this page, click on code. Under HTTPS, copy the link and open your terminal and type git clone space, paste the link and press enter. I can confirm that my directory has been downloaded successfully. I'll change to this directory and I can see there's a file called install.sh. We have to execute this file. So type the command sudo space bash space install.sh and press enter. And now our installation has been completed. We can start using AnonGT. The first thing we're going to look at is the help menu. So to get the help menu, type the command sudo space AnonGT and press enter. Here, I can see that I have few different options. The first option is the start option, which will start my anonymous mode. I can check my information with the myinfo command. I can get a new IP address and connect to a different Tor node with the change ID command. With the change MAC command, I can change MAC address of all interface, which will give me an extra layer of security. With the wipe command, I can wipe the memory and clear the logs of my machine so that I cannot be traced back to. Other than that, there are some other commands. So let's go over the commands one by one. The first command that we're going to be going over is the start command. So I will type the command sudo space anongt space start and press enter. Do you want to kill dangerous applications? Capital Y and then press enter. And I can see I'm connected to the Tor network right now. If I go to the site dnsleaktest.com, I can see it is showing the country Netherlands and my IP has also changed. If I type the command sudo anongt myinfo, I can gather more information about the IP address, the country. Now, if I wanted to change this Tor node and connect to a different IP address, I would type the command sudo anongt change ID and press enter. And now if I refresh the page dnsleaktest.com, I can see it is showing me I'm from the country Germany and my IP address has also changed. Now let's change our MAC address. I will clear my screen and if I type the command ifconfig, I can see my MAC address ends in 6394FC. So if I wanted to change this MAC address, I would type the command sudo anongt change MAC and press enter. And now if I type the command ifconfig again, I can see the MAC address has been changed. And lastly, if I wanted to wipe the memory, I would type the command sudo anongt wipe and press enter. And I can see my config and log files has been cleared. And lastly, if I wanted to stop anongt, I would type the command sudo anongt space stop and press enter. And my anongt has stopped. So this is the easiest way to be completely anonymous on Kali Linux. That is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.